Even if you've never scrubbed your skin in your life, then this scrub will get your skin from 0 to 100. Like your skin will be so silk from the first usage. This is not turmeric scrub. This is raw malic acid scrub. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because in this channel we formulate skincare products. We do DIY skincare products. We do everything skincare, so you don't want to miss out anytime we upload a new video. So here we are measuring our sunflower oil. Feel free to use almond oil, rosehip oil. Yeah, I think because this scrub is for face and body, so you do want to use oil that you know will go well with your face. Like, even if you have acne prone skin, the formula will not clog your pores. So that's the reason why we are using simple sunflower oil. So here we are measuring our coveted. This is a surfactant because this scrub is meant to be a foaming scrub. Like, you just wash it away. It will not leave any oil residue or any greasy feeling when you are done scrubbing. So here we are measuring our vegetable glycerin. This is a very simple formula, but yet effective. We want to keep the moisture, all moisture that we can get. We want to keep it on this scrub because this is acid scrub, like malic acid scrub. So you do want to incorporate moisture, like vegetable glycerin add moisture to our formulas, right? So that is our wet ingredient right there. Like, this is just like kind of formulating cake. Wet ingredients are aside, dry ingredients aside. I love cake. Anyways, so I'll just measure my preservative. That is very important in this formulation as well. This is Germa Plus. Feel free to use any broad spectrum preservative you have. Like I said, this scrub that you see okay, don't get freaked out because I said malic acid or anything. Those acid you hear me calling or you see in skincare formulation, like glycolic acid, lactic acid, all this malic acid and all of that, are very necessary when it comes to giving us radiant, shining looking skin. Because even the big brands use acids, like it's normal thing. All these acids are not that kind of harmful to our skin when used appropriately. Like, so this is our sugar. Let me advise, please don't use salt here, okay? Please just try and use sugar, because we already have this malic acid that we're going to use. Is already harsh enough. You don't want any more harsh exfoliator like salts or something. So just stick with the sugar, okay? So this is malic acid, the malic acid. If you're using the solution, then you should squeeze in the solution in water phase, oil phase right there. So we are using the powder. So please don't exceed 5% when you are using acid. Okay, when you're using this malic acid, do not exceed 5%. Okay, your measurements or the measurements I use will be on the screen for the skincare formulators that know how to convert, how to formulate, formulas in percentage. How to come up with formulas in percentage are the ones I'm talking about right now, like do not exceed 5%. That is the percentage I use, and I like see the effectiveness. Do not go and overdo. I don't know what will happen to your skin. I did not find out. Okay. So right here, we mix our malic acid together with the sugar. That is the dry ingredient. And here we are mixing the dry ingredient together with the wet ingredient. I told you, just like making cake. Good. So it's so simple. Like I said, this scrub, like, I don't know, there's something with it. I told you from the beginning, like from the first usage, this scrub will wash away all your dirt, like all your skin dirt that accumulates. Even if you spend 2 months, 3 months without scrubbing, like I said before, even if you've never scrubbed your skin before, it will wash away all your skin dirt and your sins together. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm just saying this is very, very good scrub. So I'm just going to put a little bit of my frankincense essential oil. I love essential oils in my formulations. They add, they just take formulations from 1 to 100, So I have been formulating skincare product for the past 5 years now. So I know what I'm doing, okay? When you see me do things, like I formulate this not once, not twice. I know the effectiveness. That is why I am sharing the formula, okay? So, if you want to learn how to formulate skincare product from scratch, pro-mixing, we do skincare formulation training. Okay, there is link in our description box where you will chat us to take you to our WhatsApp, and then we'll talk. So our scrub is ready. Like, we don't use any artificial coloring or anything. The cocoa bean is already a kind of yellowish in color, so that's why you see the scrub like this. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, okay? Try the scrub and come and tell me. Thanks for watching.